fun!
Dear sisters and brothers, I'm here to speak up for the right of education of every child. I want education.
Varshita, do you know who is this?
Malala, am I right?
Yes, you're right. We are the luckiest children to get proper education.
Of course, we should be grateful.
September 8th is celebrated as International Literacy Day.
Literacy is a human right and it's crucial for individuals to fully participate in society. It opens door to new opportunities.
On this great occasion, as we talk about literacy, let's listen to the story of Malala.
In the Swat Valley of Pakistan, a young girl named Malala Yousafzai defied the Taliban's ban on girls' education. Born in 1997, Malala grew up in a region where the Taliban had destroyed hundreds of schools and forbidden girls from attending classes. Malala's father, Ziauddin, ran a school in Mingora and believed in the power of education. He encouraged Malala to speak out against the Taliban's efforts to deny girls their right to learn. In 2011, at just 14 years old, Malala began writing a blog for the BBC about her life under Taliban rule and her fight for girls' education. Her words inspired people around the world. On October 9, 2012, Malala was shot by Taliban while she was on her way to school. The attack sparked international outrage and solidified Malala's resolve to continue fighting for literacy and girls' education. Miraculously, Malala survived and continued her advocacy work. In 2014, she became the youngest person to win the Nobel Peace Prize. Malala's courage and determination highlight the historical importance of literacy as a powerful tool for social change and equality. Her story continues to inspire people worldwide to fight for the right to education.
Wow, Malala's story is truly inspiring, right? Yes, and see the value of education. Now let's listen to the poem शिक्षा हमारे जीवन का आधार है.
शिक्षा हमारे जीवन का आधार है, इसके बिना हमारा जीवन बेकार है। शिक्षा ही जीवन का भविष्य है, शिक्षा ही जीवन का भविष्य है, इसके बिना हमारा जीवन बेकार है। सबको शिक्षा का महत्व बताओ, हाँ जी सबको शिक्षा का महत्व बताओ, अपने ज्ञान से देश को महान बनाओ। देश में शिक्षा का प्रसार फैलाओ और हमारे देश को आगे बढ़ाओ। देश में फैली बुराई का नाश करो, देश में फैली बुराई का नाश करो, देश को ऊंचाई पर पहुंचाओ। शिक्षा हमारे जीवन का आधार है, शिक्षा हमारे जीवन का आधार है, इसके बिना हमारा जीवन बेकार है, इसके बिना हमारा जीवन बेकार है।
Hope you all enjoyed this informative come entertaining episode of Trinity Radio. Learn with fun.
Thank you for tuning in. Join us next time for more inspiring stories and topics that matter. Till then, bye-bye.